Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is gonna be my top makeup favorites from Etude House. You guys have been requesting for it as well, and I want to share with you guys these favorites that I've been loving. I think high school pa ako, and it really works. Inexpensive yung products nila, and madali lang siyang makita dito sa Philippines. So if you guys are interested to know more about K-Beauty and Etude House, please continue watching this video. All of these products were bought with my own money. I wasn't sponsored by Etude House or whatsoever. I just really love the brand ever since I was in high school. So I want to share it with you guys because I've seen a lot of comments and requests as well. So first product is this one. This is called the Face Blur. It actually works as a moisturizer and primer for me. This is an amazing product. I think you've seen a lot of great reviews about this on YouTube and some blogs, beauty blogs, and guys, sobrang ganda nito. For me, I like this product kasi it's really moisturizing on the face. You guys know I have dry skin and talagang nakaka-hide up siya ng pores. I have a bit of pores here. Syempre, lahat naman tayo. And sobrang flawless lang talaga ng foundation mo if you use this underneath. Though it's kind of pricey, I think it's around 800 plus here in the Philippines, but you can get it in Korea at a much cheaper price, of course. And I just really like the packaging. It has a pump, which is really convenient to use. And this is how the product looks like. Though, the thing that I don't like lang, medyo sa product na to, nakaka-whiten siya ng sobra. So, make sure that you use a minimal amount of this product only. Because if you apply it on your face and then you apply like a foundation or a cushion that's sort of brighter or lighter, magmumukha kayong espasol. So, ayan siya guys. This is how it looks like when you blend it on the skin. And I love the smell of this product as well. It's just really perfect when you use Etude House products and use this as a primer. I just really highly super duper recommend this product. So if you chance up upon Etude House and you're looking for a primer and you're a newbie in Korean beauty, I highly suggest you use this one. Can you see that? It also gives you that glow, and also it will make your foundation last longer. It really blurs your imperfections. So next favorite product, I've already mentioned this in some of my videos, and this is a Big Cover Concealer BB. It acts as my foundation. It's not a BB cream, it's not a concealer, but it's just really a very nice foundation for me. I also influenced my office mates to get this, and they are girls who really love foundations. They use high-end foundations like Makeup Forever, MAC, ano pa ba? Basta yun. Wala kasi ako noon, so hindi ako masyadong familiar, but they really use foundation every day, and oily skin sila. And then when I recommend this one, sobrang nagustuhan nila, and talagang ito lang yung ginamit nila for the whole month. Sobrang favorite din nila to. That's why I can attest that it's good for oily and dry skin girls. I love this product because it's very unique. So ayan, that's the foundation that I'm wearing on my face right now. And also I use this primer, yung Face Blur. And this product, talagang kung meron akong kailangan na foundation that I can rely to for an event or something na flawless foundation, this is what I use. And you can see, I forgot what shade this is. Wala kasing nakalagay. But I think I'm in the shade Sand. Basta number 3 yung nakalagay dito. And it's just a really nice foundation. I don't think I have any cons or bad things to say about this product. I never thought na makikita ko yung perfect foundation for me sa isang Korean beauty brand, because we all know how Etude House does their BB creams, cushions, and it's really light and moisturizing. It's not matte, but for this, you can see I didn't apply powder on my face, but it just dries matte after a few minutes. So I just really like this product. If there is a favorite product for me from Etude House, this is the one. So if you guys are interested, you can get this. I think this is below 1,000 pesos, and it will last you a long time because you'll just need a little amount of product to apply on your whole face. So this one, guys, it's the best. I know there's something new. I cut my hair short. Sobrang short siya, guys. I have very long hair, pero sobrang init na talaga. It's summer and nasa-stress na ako sa buko kasi ang daming buhol sa dulo. And I've always been thinking for the longest time kung magpapagupit na ako. And finally, I did it because ayokong ma-stress pag pumunta ako sa Korea kasi ang tagal niyang matuyo, tapos hindi ako makakapag-ayos. So, ayan, nagupitan na siya finally. So, yeah, yun lang naman. And the next product that I love for the face is this Play 101 Stick. This is a contour and highlight in one. I will show you guys the swatches. It's what I'm wearing on my face right now as well. It's my favorite product to use when I contour my nose because I don't normally do that, but when I need it, ayan, ito yung ginagamit ko. So this is how it looks like. It's a very nice product for me kasi perfect siya for Asian skin tones just because it gives you that mild effect of contour and highlight. It's not that paano ba? Hindi siya yung pack na contour na, alam mong naka-contour, tapos orangey siya, or sobrang warm ng color. This one, it just blends really well on the skin, and it lasts the whole day. I just really didn't expect that a Korean brand would be something I would rely on when it comes to long-lasting makeup, or something that would work on my skin. Grabe talaga yung face products nila, guys. I think wala pa akong na-encounter na hindi maganda. Sobrang ganda ng contour niya. It just gives you that warm effect on the face. Ayan. Ako kasi ayoko ng sobrang contoured look talaga. Though I know I have like chubby cheeks, but I like my cheeks. Kahit ganito siya, I rely on this as well. Parehas tong tatlo. Yan, yun yung gamit ko. Usually, pag may gusto akong product talaga, yun lang yung paulit-ulit kong gagamitin. So, this one, it's really amazing product. And I think this is just 600 pesos. So, you have a contour and highlighter in one. Next product is this Precious Mineral Any Cushion. And you guys know how much I love this. I use this for my Get Ready With Me video and other videos na my favorite. Bakit ang ingay ng kapitbahay kung kailan ako nag-review? So yan, I just really love this cushion. I think this is the second cushion that I tried, and wala na siyang... Alam mo yung kanina ba ako nag-film? Naglipat ako ng files, tapos biglang doon nagpukpok kung kailan ako nag-start. Ayan. So, this is the second cushion that I tried, and I just really love it. Actually, ubos ko na to. It's a typical cushion, and I just really like this because it smells so good, it's moisturizing, and it's perfect for every day. Though it's not as long-lasting as my other cushions, I still like it because it gives me that glow and everyday look na hindi siya obvious na naka-foundation or cushion, CC cushion ka. So, I just really like this, and I love it so much. It's the first cushion na naubos ko, and I'm excited to get more of it, and yung ibang cushions ng Etude House. If you guys want to check this out, you can get it from Altea Korea or sa Etude House. It's, I think, 1,000 pesos. So there. Next favorite product is a different one because you guys know I don't like eyeshadows as well, but this one made my life easier. This is called the Bling Bling Eye Stick. I have two shades here, which I always use. I'm actually using it on my eyes right now. I love using this number 1 Shooting Star shade. It's actually their bestseller, and it's the typical white shade. Ayan. And I use it here para mag-open up yung eyes ko and magmukhang malaki because you guys know I have small eyes. And the next favorite is this Starry Sky Star number 14. I like using this all over my lid. It's what I'm using din ngayon. Ayan. Medyo may color effect lang siya na pagka-bronze. So, that's how it looks like. I love these two because it makes my life easier. I don't like applying eyeshadows. And pag nagmamadali na, kung gusto mo lang may pop of color yung eyelid mo, I really recommend this one. And it's cream-based. That's why it really lasts long. For my chinitas out there or yung medyo may maliit na mata, I really recommend this product. I think it's just around 220 pesos. I'm not sure, pero sobrang affordable lang nito. And it will last you a long time. I got this last year pa, pero tignan nyo naman. Ang dami pa niya. I really love these two and I can't wait to get more. Next would be my favorite lip products. You guys know it. Nakita nyo na to sa Get Ready With Me video ko. I think kaya rin nagka-idea yung mga tao tanungin kung ano yung favorite Etude House products ko. Kasi karamihan dun is Etude House. And this is the Dear Darling Tint. I actually have another one. Pero hindi ko siya makita. But this one is the shade number 1. I like this better because it has that purple yung tint niya na reddish. Hindi ko ma-explain. Pero hindi siya yung red na red. So it's perfect for everyday. What I don't like much about this product is not that long-lasting like other tints. That's why I cling more into our local lip tints na mas mura. But this one, I just use it as a base before I apply these. Pero ito guys, perfect siya sa mga mahilig mag-lip tint. Sobrang tagal na ng product nito guys, as in high school pa ako. Pero it still doesn't fail. And ang ganda lang kasi mas madami na silang shades ngayon. Though I think hindi siya available lahat dito sa Philippines. But when I went to Singapore, sobrang dami. And I was really tempted to get it. Pero na-realize ko magpupunta nga ako ng Korea. So doon na lang ako mag-hoard. And I just really love the smell of this one. Tsaka yung lasa niya, hindi siya yung mapait na nakakadiri. Kasi alam niyo naman yung lip tint, diba? Hindi agad nawawala yung lasa and yung scent niya. This one, I highly recommend. It's around 200 pesos dito sa atin. And I just like using it for my cheeks as well. It's what I use as a blush. And also as a base for my lipstick. So that's that. It's a multi-product. You can use it for the cheeks and for the lips. And go-to product ko siya kasi pagka yun nga, nagmamadali sa work and kailangan mo lang ng onting products na dalhin sa bag, I really need this in my life. So next is, ano man tawag dito? It's a Color In Liquid Lips. I got the shade RD302 and BE102. So, I have 2 of these. And what I'm wearing on my lips right now is this one, yung red. Actually, gradient effect lang yan. Binlur ko lang siya kasi you guys know how Koreans do their lips. Sobrang pigmented nito and long-lasting. Nakita nyo ba yan? Diba? Isang swipe pa lang yan. And ang bango din ito. Hindi ko alam ba't ganun yung products nila. Sobrang bango. And then next, ito. Perfect for everyday shade. I think you guys would love this one. Diba? Sobrang pigmented niya, guys. It's a type of liquid lipstick but it doesn't dry matte on your lips. Pero moisturizing siya. That's what I like about it. Kasi nung nauso yung liquid lipsticks, alam naman natin kung gano'n siya ka-drying and obvious yung cracks. Pero ito, hindi siya ganun ka-obvious and it lasts the whole day. So, I highly recommend this one. I also use it on my cheeks as a blush. And nag-work siya kasi nga long-lasting siya. So, ayan. Medyo pricey lang to. I think it's around 400 to 500 pesos. But when you go to Korea or pagka nag-sale naman yung Etude House dito, bili na lang kayo. Kasi I think nakuha ko to dito ng sale na buy one, take one. So, 2 products na for less than 600. Next product is their Play 101 pencils. I actually have 5 of these. Pero yung dalawa ko, nawala na. Hindi ko alam saan din napunta. But I have the shades 30, 39, and 29. Ang ingay talaga ng kapitbahay. Dati kaya hindi ako nakaka-feel masyado noon kasi yung sa tabi ng bahay namin, may ginagawa talagang bahay, as in binibuild. So, sobrang ingay. Na-imagine nyo ba kung paano ako nakatulog noon? Hindi ko din ma-imagine kung paano ko yung nagawa for a year. Pero ngayon, ganun pa din. Hindi natatapos. I just really love these products, guys. As in, super duper. You guys have seen great reviews about these from Korean beauty vloggers, YouTubers, bloggers. Si Pony mismo, favorite niya to. And I love Pony. And papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano to ka-pigmented. And ang galing lang kasi yung Etude House. Ang galing nilang gumawa ng product na, alam mo yung functional siya for not just one part of your face. Pero siya sa eyes, sa face, sa cheeks, sa lips, and everything. Ayan, ganyan siya ka-pigmented. What I'm wearing on my eyes right now is this number 30 dito. Binlend ko siya with my eyeliner. Kasi alam nyo naman yung gusto ng mga Koreans, diba, yung medyo rose gold, Marcella. Ano mga shade yung tawag sa nila? Basta yun, guys. Sobrang ganda nito and it lasts the whole day. Kung naghahanap kayo ng eyeliner for your waterline, get this one and it will last you the whole day. Mag-swimming man kayo or mapawisan kayo. Sobrang amazing nito and it's just 300 something pesos dito sa Philippines. Mahilig kayo sa eyeliner, lip liner, get these ones. It will not fail you. Tapos, mayroon pa siyang sharpener sa dulo. So, yan. Diba? 300 something pesos lang and high-end na yung product na makukuha nyo. I mean, yung results niya is just like the high-end product. So, there. Kahit maingay kapitbahay namin, tatapusin ko lang yung video na to kasi last product na and it's none other than, obvious naman, diba? It's their brow pencils. I actually love these. Itong mga to. Sobrang dami ko na nito. I think more than 10. Yung iba nga niregalo ko na kasi hindi ko naman sila magagamit sabay-sabay. Pero iyon yung mga nakita ko lang so far dito sa aking vanity. And this one, natapon ko na yung iba. Pero ito kasi yung parang kinalakihan ko when it came to like my brows. Ito kasi mas pricier siya. This is just 100 something. 120 ata or 130. Pero ito, it's 200 plus or 180. Basta mas expensive siya kasi angled siya. Ganyan. Tapos, retractable. Unlike this one, sinasharpen siya. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Tapos, hindi ko lang bet yung spoolie niya sa dulo kasi nakakapangit siya ng brows. So, mas maganda to kasi spoolie talaga yung itsura niya. Know how much I love these brow pencils. Kahit yung office mates ko, alam nila na nire-recommend ko yung brow pencils ng Etude House. Kasi kung meron man akong brow pencil sa buong buhay ko na gusto ko lang gamitin, yung Etude House lang talaga. So, ito yung lagi kong ginagamit. This is the Drawing Eyebrow Pencil. Mas gusto ko siyang gamitin kasi lately, hindi ko naman nag-groom yung brows ko. But when I use this, nagmumukha siyang maayos. It's what I'm wearing on my brows right now as well. And paubos na siya as in, naghihinalo na. Ganyan na lang siya kaliit. So, sakto lang pagpunta ko ng Korea din. Mag-hoard ako nito kasi mas mura dun. But this one, guys, it will not fail you. Sobrang, ayan o, di ba, wala nang laman. Magaling na kayo sa brows and expert na kayo. Okay na okay itong yung tincture. Mahirap lang siyang i-blend and sobrang kapal niya. So, kung beginners lang kayo sa brows, I suggest you get this one first. Kasi para mas magamay niyo yung brows ninyo. Kasi mas softer yung effect niya sa brows. Unlike itong mga easy brow pencil, it really makes your eyebrows on fleek. Pero pag nagkamali ka lang, talagang magmumukha siyang makapal. So, you need to be gentle when you use this one. Kung mas preferred nyo to, na pencil na sinasharpen. Pero kung beginner lang kayo, and diba ang dami na i-intimidate sa brows, I suggest you use this one, yung Drawing Eyebrow Pencil. Both are really amazing and I just really can't live without these brow products obvious naman, natakot akong ubusan nito. So, yan. Etude House eyebrow pencils are the best. So, there. Guys, so that ends my favorite Etude House makeup products. I hope I somehow helped you guys and nabigyan ko kayo ng guide kung ano yung mga okay na itry from Etude House. Kasi yung iba, syempre, gusto nyo ding magtipid. So, mas okay na malaman nyo kung ano talaga yung mga products na nag-work and for years. Sobrang tagal na. Mostly ng products na pinakita ko sa inyo is matatagal na talaga. And it's still on their shelves. So, it means that kahit ang dami ng makeup fads sa Korea or around the world, andun pa din sila. So, it means na okay yung products na to. So, thank you so much guys for watching. If you have any other questions, please do comment down below. And I am so excited for my Korea trip. Kung alam nyo lang kung gaano ako excited this week, hindi na ako makatulog. But anyway, that's just it. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. Kahit anong oras na, kailangan ko nang matulog because I still have work. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!
Tulungan ko kayo kung ano yung and I hope somehow help you guys take Etude House products and kung excited kayo matry siya.
Kami sa loob, grabe. First time kong mahilo kapag tingin ko sa beauty section kasi sobrang dami, nakaka-overwhelm. Hindi mo alam kung anong bibilin mo. Ganyan mo. Ito dahil